Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody had a wonderful holiday. Christmas, especially. We got one more coming here now, next couple of days, right? We're gonna flip the new year. We're gonna get a new year. We're gonna get a new quarter. Um, I got a few that I'm going to be showing you as we start to get closer to the new year, and then maybe we see what on Friday, see if we can show some names here. So we got a few inside years. All right, so we'll see if something can come of that. Um, and we got Costco with the year down, one of the worst in a long time. So Costco down, Procter and Gamble, another one that we talked about. So we'll go through those a little, we'll go into that like Friday. We'll start to take a look at more of that. What do we got though? Futures are pretty quiet. The Fed, we're gonna get Fed minutes today. All right, so Powell's gonna chat us up a little bit. Do we need a rate cut? Do we not need a rate cut? I tell you, they are divided down the middle on that one. Do we need a rate cut with where we're at right now with the economy? It's still running pretty hot. We're sitting at an inflation rate at about 2.75%. And so we're nowhere near our target of getting back to 2%. But it looks like whoever's going to get in charge of the Fed soon, we're going to probably see rates go lower. All right, but expect that 4-year to stay above. All right, so I still think no matter what happens, even when I want to lower rates, I think that 10-year is still going to stay heavy above 4%. All right, so that's where we're going to be here. Interest rates on housing is at 6 point whatever 2. Nothing's going to change there for a long time, I don't think either. All right, so really what I wanted to just pop on real quick is just chat you up because it's been a couple of days. I'm going to take a couple more days here, and then we'll see. We get the half day tomorrow. And then we got New Year's Day. We get to watch a plethora of football. All right, college football. All right, so this is all good. We'll see what happens, and everybody have a brand new year coming in, and we'll see what comes in with 2026. All right. I did want to chat you up on the futures here. How about the diamonds still consolidating on the weekly? All right, we got the 111. All right, we continue to shrink. All right, so there's nothing going on. All right, there's really not too much going on at all. Choppy. I watched a little bit yesterday, but I've kind of been staying away a little bit and see what happens. All right, so we'll see what happens. Enjoy the holiday. All right. So diamonds, here you go. Like I said, we're dead in the water here. We got you're almost potentially 3 weeks. It doesn't look like it's going to get out of here anytime soon. 486.95 today. We're back down to 484.46. So we're still inside this week right here. All right, so consolidate. All right, so now is it going to come roaring out one way or another? I wouldn't even get too crazy about that. All right, I think we're going into that area. All right, and I'm watching tech names. I like Apple. I think Apple can get back up, but you got to have the zest to want to go after them. All right, and I just don't have it right now. All right, so diamonds, there you go. I think this tells us the whole tale about what's going on in diamonds. Stalled out. All right, stalled out big time and not doing anything. All right, SPY made the lower move yesterday. Take it back down yesterday and then finishes with the doji. So nothing to see here. All right, and we're going to be inside here today. Where we at right now? We're at this 687.52, 687.52. So here we are right inside here, guys. All right, so we're going to be going 2-1 inside on the day here, kind of trapped in. And we got the consolidation on the week here. It's only Tuesday, and then you got the half day, and then we got Friday. All right, so these chopped up weeks, this is what you see. All right, this is what you see coming into the end of the year. All right, and there's your hour. I don't have this, so I do have actionables, but they're only on weeklies, so nothing really to speak about here. I just wanted to get out here and chat a little bit, just because I haven't been chatting a little bit. All right, so see what's going on with the Qs. Same thing here with the consolidating on the week. All right, these things could stay in week here. All right, now Fed will talk today, Powell, but I don't think Powell will shake things up too much. I don't think he wants to stir anything up, anything at this point right now. All right, so we're still inside on the month, guys, right? So this is going to definitely look like that's going to finish out 2-1-1 back inside. All right, and if you notice on all the other ones, we're up, we're two up. All right, so we're going to finish the year on the Qs on the monthly with an inside month with an actionable. So we'll see what happens there. All right. And that's it, man. That's really all we got. We got an actionable here on the 60. Maybe that gave us a 2-1-2 possibly back up here. It's really been a choppy market, and to be honest, I really have kind of walked away a little bit and not really looked too much. So so today I got back into the office here and see what's going on, and it's looking more of the same of what I saw. I just check on my phone and stuff like that. All right, so Apple, I do like Apple. Salesforce, Salesforce made a move. Got up to 269. All right, it got up to 269.45, and that was yesterday. It got a little out of control with the outsider, now finishes the day there. All right, so 268, we know that there's exhaustion risk up there. It did get a little bit higher through there, but yeah, because the last video I left you with was about the cloud stocks. All right, so this thing popped up. Now you're going to be inside today. It's trading at 266 even, so you're going to be stuck right in the middle there. All right, so Microsoft has just been kind of bouncing around too. It goes outside as well yesterday on the daily. And consolidating for 2 weeks now. So we're still going to be waiting to see how AI is going to come out, right? Because, you look at NVIDIA, there you go. How about NVDA? There's your inside week as well. So we're really kind of trapped inside to see if we can get us, what I'll be looking for is a simultaneous break on some weeks. So you got NVIDIA in there. We got AVGO, AVGO. See that? That's been consolidating for 2 weeks now. It hasn't moved. It's a little higher this morning. It was up to 350 and change. It's kind of pulled back a little bit. Palantir kind of fell apart a little bit. I did buy a little Palantir on the downside, so we'll see if this thing turns around. All right, coming 2-2 back down on your weekly. All right, and then you got 2-2 down on your daily. All right, so Palantir's been coming back in a little. You want to be nibbling up on some Palantir when they come in there a little bit. All right, and then what else is there's the Google. There's your Goog. Goog is going to finish the year with the inside month, and we're going to get a 2-1 something back out of there too. All right. So Apple, Amazon's still not doing anything. Consolidating inside on the week. This is really the big picture here. We're going to really focus in on the week when they come into the new year. All right, that's what I'm really going to be focusing on. Focus on where the years are coming in. What ones do we have coming into the new year? And more importantly, I think we're going to keep an eye on these weeklies and see how things are going to shake out there. All right, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to get our first full week back. All right, so it's going to seem like, oh my God, a whole week. All right. Metals right back up, man. Gold and silver got knocked out yesterday with the gapper down. Boom, and here she come right back. 403, guys, 403. You're still inside, but you're coming right back up. Look for the silver to move back up. They already are. All right, one gapper day down, and they're coming right back up. All right, so the silvers and the golds are not going to stop going. And then you can also watch GDX and copper too. Copper usually tells us that the economy is good. Freeport-McMoRan, I mean, look at this thing. It's made the move as well with the 3112 upper on the month to go take the high of the year. Freeport, all right, inside there as well. All right, so I'm gonna leave it here. I'm still watching those the other stocks that we talked about. Raytheon. I'm watching Space, SPCE, General Dynamics, Lockheed Martin, Northrop Grumman. Boeing's making a nice move. Boeing's starting to move back up to 219 now. All right, so Boeing's been acting pretty good here. Boeing's been on the move here a little bit. All right, so Boeing having a nice month here. All right, to finish the year. I see if we can get some continuation to the upside. I think Boeing's going higher. There probably will be a disruption because there always is. All right, so they probably will come in at some point. But I still think that on that dip, you want to be watching. Our Dollar Trees and our Dollar Gens were still really moving good on the retail side. And she's kind of stalled out now. Dollar Tree kind of backed off. I got out of the rest of my DG a couple days ago. I think in here somewhere. All right, and now it's been shooter back down. It's not showing anything up here. You got hammer goes shooter, so anything could come out of that. All right, and that's on your weekly coming back down now. All right, they had a hell of a run. Look at the month they had. All right, on that whole retail mode, Nike. All right, Nike's been the big move. Tim Cook bought that 3 million shares, and the stock has been holding up pretty nice. Now, it seems like she gets some exhaustion risk around 61.50. Nike's probably going to pull back in. But if you're in there, protect it. Get the money. Get the monies. All right. So Nike better here. Costco, I'm still in it. They haven't taken me out yet. I bought it at $8.64 and change. They haven't taken me out yet. All right. They'll probably take another run at it, though, for sure. More than likely, that probably will happen. I'm watching the futures here. They are popping back up a little bit, all right? I don't expect too much today. I really don't expect too much at all tomorrow. And then Friday, we come in with the new year. We're going to get two new we're going to get three big ones, right? We're going to get the year, we're going to get the month, and we're going to get the week, all right? So we'll see we'll see where it starts from there. It's a whole reboot. It's a whole new year. We'll see what happens. All right. There's tariff talk today. There's talk about Taiwan. China's throwing rockets into the Taiwan Ocean. Right outside the coast. We're taking over Venezuela. It's crazy. All right. So expect more crazy. All right, there's more crazy coming, that's for sure. All right, so I'm going to let you be today. I might try to get back in here by the middle of the day today. I'm not sure. But otherwise, I just really wanted to get in and say, hey, what's up? How's you doing? Hope everybody's well. Hope everybody had a good Christmas. And everybody, I hope you have a wonderful new year. All right, so be good. Be good.